in the motherfucking house. Or should I say the motherfucking truck. I'm on my way to pull apart to grab some box Chevy kick panels so I can make some kick panel pods for a customer in Louisiana. So I'm on this long journey again in Kentucky. From Indiana to Kentucky to pull apart. So I'm gonna go out here and grab these kicks panels real quick so I can make these pods and ship them off. So if we need any kind of specialty items, I usually keep them in stock. Box Chevy parts, G-body parts, 71, 72, 73 Cutlass parts, donk parts, where I make specialty parts. So if you need some door panels made, you can get them made. And I'm looking at this Ford behind me. It look like the police, but I'm legit, so they can't touch a player. Sorry. Yeah, that's the po-po, but I ain't scared of no po-po. But yeah, so when I get the pull apart, I'll continue my video. So hold on 1 second. Back on again. We was talking about the po-po. They can't touch me. Only thing they can do is give me a seatbelt ticket. Speaking of seatbelts, what about you guys out there that spend 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, all that money on them cars, and you got them raggedy ass seatbelts in your car? You know what I'm talking about. Got them fresh ass red guts with burgundy seatbelts, or white guts, white and blue with black seatbelts. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why do you guys do that? You know I'm be the one to tell it, because I keep it all the way 100. When you spending money on these cars, you're trying to be 100% official, as you claim. You having all this money, do it right. Change the seatbelts. It might cost you a couple $100 to change the seatbelts to the color that you want, but it's not that hard. They sell seatbelt kits. You can get seatbelts any color of the rainbow: red, blue, green, yellow, purple, turquoise, gold. They got checkerboard, stripes, all kind of seatbelts. So there's no excuse for you to have mismatched seatbelts or seatbelts that don't match your car. It don't make sense. I don't know why I'm coughing, but there's nothing that a rivet can't fix. Public service announcement. I know I'm out of uniform today, and I don't give no fucks. I'm throwing a t-shirt and jogging pants as my work attire. I didn't want to wear red today, because I didn't feel like being soo-hoo, or how they put it, affiliated today. So now I'm wearing yellow. That's how I feel today. I feel happy. And I'm drinking a yellow ribbon. So we finna go get these parts and pull apart. And I'm gonna go to the shop and show y'all a little bit more stuff that's going on today. And then tomorrow, is that how you do it? I'm gonna be on the west side. Go on the west coast tomorrow. Check out some shit in the west coast. Stay tuned later on. I holla. Alright, YouTube. We found our infamous box Chevy. As you can see right here, it's being stripped down by the culprits that be. We have to save the parts of this box Chevy before it get crushed. These parts are so valuable on the streets. They have a $50,000 market value on the streets in the hood. So we must save as many parts as we possibly can. You see the poor man's Cadillac, the box Chevy. This dashboard right here, if I do this dash over, I can make thousands. So I'm gonna get these kick panels out of here, and I'm up out this bitch because it's hot as a motherfucker out here. So stay tuned. We out this bitch. Man, it's hotter than I don't know, it's hot. I got sweat on my brow. Gotta get up out of here, man. Too hot for me. Getting black. Messing up my melanin in my skin. Whew. So I'm about to make this long journey back to the shiz-out. Got my kick panels off the 86 Caprice. Seen a couple more Caprices out there. This is my secret. I take the parts I need and I hide them. Cause you know how people tend to break shit. So I hid a bunch of stuff so I can come back and get it when I need it at the appropriate time. But I'm out this piece now. So I'm headed off to the shop. I need to stop one more place. But I don't even know if I'm gonna stop today. I might not even stop. I might just take my ass to the shop and get some work done because the day is getting shorter and shorter as we speak. It's already 2 o'clock. So I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Whoa! So I'm back on this road again. I'm going across this bridge back over to Indiana. I call it Disneyland because over there in Kentucky, woo, you gotta pack your thing when you're driving through the city streets. I keep that heater on me. I ain't going forward. But I just made it back across the bridge, back to my hometown, Indiana. I'm about to go get me some froyo. People, for the hood people who don't know what froyo is, it's frozen yogurt. So I'm about to give me some of that cake batter, mix it up with a little bit of chocolate, mix it up with a little bit of banana, and then I'm heading my ass to the house, pick up my Amazon shit. You know what I'm saying? I love Amazon. Oops, let me turn that down. Copyright infringement. I can't let them take my money before I make it. But yeah, I gotta go to the crib and pick up this Amazon. Just got the text to Amazon and dropped off my USBs, my LED lights, so I can go ahead and finish this build I'm working on. And I'll show you guys that. But before that, I'm gonna give me some froyo, man. It just brings me down to earth, man. Ain't nothing better than a day started off with some ribbit and some froyo. So I'm about to go get some froyo. I'd like to give a shout out to my mans in Detroit. Just called me about getting a C10 done. I will be getting to you, and we're gonna make that happen. So I'll be doing my first C10, y'all. Stay tuned for that. But right now, I'm going to give me some froyo, because that's where it's gonna be at right now. So I'll turn this video back on once I head to the shop. But until then,